Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Banking Chasers 2021. Today we are going to discuss the syllabus which is important for all the banking examinations. Our first section is the Quant Section. In Quant Section you will find the topics such as data interpretation, number series, simplification and approximation and the miscellaneous. In data interpretation, you will find the problems or questions based on bar graph, line chart. In number series, you will find the question based on completing the series or finding the missing terms. In miscellaneous section, you will find question based on average and ages, percentage, simple and compound interest, ratio and proportion, profit and loss, time, speed and distance, time and work, mixtures and permutation combination and also on probability. Also partnership. And in simplification and approximation, you will find the question mostly based on the Bodemus rule, fraction and decimal, surds and indices. Let's move on to our reasoning section. In reasoning section, puzzles plays the most important part. After puzzle, sitting arrangement and blood relations or the combination of this will be found. The next topic is syllogism, coding and decoding, coded inequalities, input-output, alphanumeric series, ranking and direction, course of action, data sufficiency. Now let's move on to English section. In English section, something that is very important is knowing the grammar rules and having a good command on vocab. Then the questions will be based on close test, parajumbles, synonyms and antonyms, spellings. The things written in pink are very important. The most important of this is reading comprehension and spotting errors. Then the one-word substitution, or you can call them as fillers, direct and indirect speech, in idioms and phrases. So this is the entire syllabus which you will require for your banking examinations. I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next one. Also, I want to remind that we are going to come up with a 30-day series for the upcoming SBI CLERK 2021 examination. We are going to start this series from 1st May 2021 and it will last till 30 May 2021. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. If you want to take screenshot, please feel free to take. This is reasoning, English, and this is the entire quantitative aptitude. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.